Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI, and if you're looking for a little extra knee support, I highly recommend this knee brace from Geno. My husband was having a hard time walking due to pain in his knee. He needed a little extra support. We found this knee brace to be exactly what he was looking for. It's easy to put on, it's comfortable to wear, and because it has hinges on either side of your leg, it gave him a remarkable amount of support. The Velcro fasteners make it adaptable to different leg widths, and he was able to find the right comfort level for himself. It has a lot of support, but it doesn't budge. Once you have it on, there's an opening for your patella, which makes it a more comfortable and flexible fit. This knee brace is exactly what my husband was looking for. It gave him extra support while his knee was bothering him. It was adjustable and the material was comfortable to wear. I really appreciate the fact that they have those hinges on either side that gave him extra feeling of support, but also he was able to flex the knee and walk relatively normal. So if you're looking for a knee brace that goes the extra mile, then I highly recommend this one. It covers the leg well, it's comfortable and easy to put on, but it also has these hinges on either side of your knee that make you have an extra bit of stability and support when you need it most. And that is my point of view.